Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. How many of you like good old fresh corn? I do. In fact, so much that I'm very picky about my corn. However, if you don't have a cornfield or a garden, I have a way for you to make corn taste just like it was picked right out of the field. I've been making corn like this for over 30 years, and this is great to take to family gatherings as well. We're going to start off with a 10-inch cast iron skillet. You'll put about 3 tablespoons of butter in it. But if you're not allergic to pork like I am, add bacon grease. I used to do that before my allergies, and it was so good. Then you'll need a tube of cream-styled corn. It can be white, it can be yellow, that's your choice. And you're going to make sure you unthaw that, put that in the skillet. Then you'll need a 12-ounce bag of frozen whole kernel corn. Again, that can be white or yellow. You can even use whole kernel corn out of the can. I don't like it as good, but you can do that. You can mix these, which is what I'm doing. I have white corn and yellow corn. I do unthaw my whole kernel corn as well. Then I put that in the skillet, and then you're going to need pepper. Lots and lots of pepper. That to me is what really makes this taste so good. And some salt. We're going to add some salt to this. Salt and pepper to taste. And then once you've got your salt and pepper in here, you're just going to make sure to mix this and stir it around. Make sure your stovetop eye or your burner is on simmer. And you can see me adding more pepper. When I say lots and lots of pepper, I mean lots and lots of pepper. I don't measure this, but if I had to guess, at least a teaspoon of pepper in this. It just really brings this corn to life. Then we're going to give this a stir, and we are going to let this cook slowly for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, because you do not want this to stick to your cast iron skillet, and it will if you don't keep stirring. We're going to cook this until it thickens. And voila, about 15 minutes later, your corn is ready to be served. I could eat half of this skillet with a fresh tomato and make a meal out of it. It really is that good.